how you should remove your body hair. This tip is really wonderful, and many people, especially women, are using it all over the world and stopping using the razor altogether. The razor is the most widely used tool in the world for removing body hair, which, when passed over the skin, darkens over time, and when these hairs grow, they end up becoming ingrown and causing folliculitis. The recipe I'm going to give you today will gradually remove body hair without causing any problems or damage to your health. It will also help to lighten your skin. In a container, add a spoonful of baking soda. We'll also add a lemon. We'll mix these two ingredients very well, and let me know in the comments which way you shave: wax, laser, or even razor. Now let's add a spoonful of milk. Lemon and bicarbonate together eliminate hair from the root, without damaging your health, but you shouldn't use the lemon and go out in the sun. Many people are afraid to use lemon on their skin. Now let's add a spoonful of toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste you like. Here I'm using white. And now, after mixing, we'll add a spoonful of honey. Toothpaste are excellent oxidizing whiteners. This will leave your skin clearer and much softer, and the honey will help exfoliate your skin. Here I'll demonstrate it on my leg, but you can do it on any part of your body. With the help of an item, you pass it over the surface you want to remove the hair from. It's very easy and practical. This mixture is suitable for legs, armpits, face, and other areas suitable for hair removal. Once this is done, I'll leave it on for 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes are up, and with the absorbent cotton completely clean and sanitized, you can wipe off the product. Just how easily the hairs come out. Look how easy it is. It's like magic, isn't it? And now you have a super easy and practical way to shave your legs. But I have an important message. If your hair roots are a little thicker, it may not work. Only do this once a week. Cheers, and see you in the next video.